Boom. We outside riding down Light Street by Watershed. It's lit. It's lit out. Bitches out. You know what I mean? Everybody was out. I straight catch a flat. You know what I mean? I hop on 83, try and get the bike somewhere safe for real. So all this time, I'm just riding my bike for real. If any little thing happen, I'm taking my bike to Big No. You feel me? But today, I'm like, no, I gotta do something different. I'm gonna try to fix the flat myself for real. Yeah, when you ain't never did it before, yo, this shit different. You ain't never did no shit.
Yeah, you all big and cocky shit for
I'm saying, how this supposed to?
Same way you took that motherfucker out.
I just poured it out, but putting it in, like, I can't even see the top.
All right, look, matter of fact, I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna take it out and you do it. All right. So I'm gonna rest this bitch on this, right? I'm gonna have it like that, so you can fold down, hold down a little bit, like that. Hold that side up with one hand. Slide that bitch in there. I'm trying this at home, professional, right? Now this one easy because like I ain't gonna say it's easy, right? But it's not as hard as the big bikes because the big bikes, the tires, them bitches like they tough as shit. This bitch is on a reef strip. What you mean? Ain't too late?
No, it is.
Why?
Cause he had left.
All right. See, I got that bitch in the hole. No hair on that motherfucker. I'm ready to take it out now. You gotta do it again.
Yeah, I wanted to see how you did it one time now. Yeah, man. I might got the recipe.
Man, he took that bitch out. That's torture. Say you wanna do that shit. All right, another thing, Turkey man. Don't ride with this. Don't ride with that.
With this?
Yeah.
Why,
I mean, you sell dope. You don't sell dope. That bitch that's like 300, 400. You gonna have to call niggas like, hey, boy, I'm right here.
No,
you gotta come cut this bitch.
Really, bro, I lost all my keys on the 4-wheeler, bro. I had two cars.
Crazy. I mean, 5 left. Bro, you trying to go left. I'm like, I don't know how the fuck I'm using my right. Why I'm right?
Too much.
No, you good. I'm concerned if the hole even lined, like if the shit even lined up. It ain't the shit ain't lined up. Whatever that is, metal, like it's not going straight through. I'm getting this shit to the hole. It's just that lining.
Rubber, yeah.
That rubber not in place. That's what it is, man. That rubber lining not in place.
My man said he was tired. None of you was tired this round.
All them fake muscles you got? That shit yo, listen, you gotta. It's hard to describe. You gotta. Once you get that piece in, that everything else is cool. Try it.
All right, what I know.
What the fuck that not good?
All right, now you're gonna tuck the tube. Tuck it in all the way. So, like this. Lift it up. Lift it in. Lift it up. Stuff it in. Try to make it like a little even for real. Some people probably go like a tad bit of air in there, but I don't. Manager! Alright, now this part right here, like when it's time to peel the tire on with the jump, I'm gonna do it right because I don't want to have to charge you 2 times for interviews. 9 times out of 10 you're gonna poke it your first try. Yeah. So like you put oil around the edge, right, just so when I put it in there, it pop it out like a little bead. If it ain't even, when you willy, you give it a little wobble for real. And you don't like the wobble when you want willy and shit. I'm gonna put the lock on first, put this part on first, and then just peel the rest of the tire. do it.
Yeah, so I'm back, ready to be back out. I was going too hard. Kitty! Back in the game, man.